Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Saurav, and this is my YouTube channel, Data Science Novice. So, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please do like and subscribe. Your efforts are massively appreciated. So, I'm going to start a series on OpenCV with Python, and in this video, we are going to outline the structure of this series, and later on, we will discuss some basics of images. So, let's get started. So, what is OpenCV? It is an open source real time computer vision library. It includes hundreds of computer vision algorithms like object detection, object tracking, etc. etc. It was developed by Intel in 1999 and it was written in C++. So you don't have to worry about C++. We will be learning it in Python and this is made possible by using binding generators. So these generators create a bridge between C++ and Python, which enable us to call functions of C++ from Python. So if you want to read more about it, I have provided a link into the description. Go ahead and check it. So OpenCV has a modular structure, which means package include some modules like image processing that allow us to play with image and that we'll be learning in the later part of the course. And then we have video analysis module, object detection module, etc. etc. So if you want to know more about capabilities of OpenCV, you can refer to the documentation of OpenCV. So let's talk about the goal of this video series. So first we will learn about image manipulation like changing the color of the image, and then we will learn drawing shapes on image and annotating image, and then we will learn how to create memes using Python or specifically OpenCV library. Next, we will interact with image using mouse and keyboards like drawing shapes on image using mouse. And then we will learn how to access webcam using mouse using OpenCV library and how to record video using OpenCV library. Then we will learn about image detection, object tracking, and after that we will build some exciting projects using OpenCV library. So before we start coding, it is important for us to know the basics of image because we will be interacting with lots of images. So it's better to know what's going behind the scene. What is an image? It is a visual representation of anything that stored electronically in any device like computer, mobile, iPad, etc. etc. So these images are made up of small pixels. So if you keep zooming on an image, you will find small squares having varying colors. For example, here, if you zoom in the particular part of this image, we find this kind of pattern. Here we can see small squares having different colors ranging from white to black, and in between we have different kind of gray shades. So what happens inside those pixels? What is the mathematics behind these pixels that result into different kind of image? Since each pixel contains a number ranging from 0 to 255, where 0 represent black or absence of light, so it result into a dark pixel, and 255 represent white pixel, and in between we have gray shades depending upon the value of the pixel. For example, here in this image, you can see that where the pixel value is low, we have dark color, and where the pixel values are greater, let's say greater than 230, we have white pixel. Oftentimes, you will see pixel values ranging between 0 to 1. That is because it has been standardized by dividing each pixel value by 255. So if you are into machine learning, you know very well that what is standardization, and we do this thing in all our projects. As of now, we have been talking about only the black and white images, where we have only white pixels and black pixels. But in real world, we have colorful images. So how do we get these colorful images? This is because of the RGB color channel. So what is RGB color channel? In real world, we have 3D images where two dimensions are for length and breadth, and the third dimension is for the number of channel. So in case of a colorful image, the value for this is 3, and we will see this practically as well. So RGB stands for red, blue and green color. Here we have an image of a cat. So if we try to represent it in a pixel format, we get three different pixel metrics. One for red, one for green and one for blue. So again the value or the intensity is represented by number 0 to 255, where 0 is black and 255 is red, and in between we have different shades of white and red. And this is the case with other two metrics as well, and they are stacked on one another, so the resulting images of cat. So suppose I take a single pixel from this image. I will have three pixel values, one for red, one for blue, and one for green. And this way we get all our images. That's all for the basics as of now. And we will learn more about images while coding. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. So all the required code will be available on my GitHub account. So don't forget to follow me there. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please do like and subscribe and press the bell icon for the future updates. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Stay safe.